Hey guys, it's Sienna, and today I'm going to be doing another manga reviews video. I have here the series of Blackbird. Here's the first one, and then I have all of the rest of them. I borrowed them from the library, and I just finished reading them all. There are 18 in this series, 18 volumes. This is an amazing series. I absolutely love it. It's rated older teen, which I do recommend that it is probably for older teen considering some of the content inside of the manga. Yeah, if the camera just shook, the cat's rubbing up against the tripod, and I'm sorry, but she's adorable, so, you know. So in this story, it's about a girl who's actually like, she's this thing called the what's it called? The Senkin Maiden or something. I can't say it because I say it right in my head, but then like I go to speak it and it just doesn't come out right. But she basically wants to fall in love, but she always sees like what demons and spirits everywhere and stuff. But like there was this childhood boy that she like played with a lot, and his name was Kyo, and he promised he'd come back for her, but she couldn't remember what it was at first, but it was the promise to come back because he would make her his bride. Since she's a Shinken maiden or whatever, basically if a demon drinks her blood, he is granted a long life. If he eats her flesh, he's gained eternal youth. And if he makes her his bride, his clan will prosper. So Kyo's a part of the Tengu clan, which is birds, demons, and it is an amazing like love story between them. She eventually she wasn't sure because as soon as she knew he was a demon, she's like, oh no, I don't want anything to do with that. He's like, but you liked me when I was a kid, you know. But some of the times he was trying to make advances too quickly, and but she's like, hey, stop, you know. But eventually they do fall in love. Things like that. I don't know if I'll get flagged, but you know, he's healing her wounds. Like whenever she gets a cut, he just has to lick it and it will heal. So you see where I'm going there. But it's a beautiful story. They eventually get to be married, and you know, I'll let you guys read it, but I definitely rate this one a 10 out of 10. You guys will be able to read it to find out what happens, because I don't want to spoil it. Yeah, so I highly recommend Blackbird. It's amazing. I highly recommend this one. I loved it. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. I post new videos every Saturday and Wednesday. I'll see you guys next time, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!